Hey, what's up, guys? I'm back again. It's Emmanuel here, or you can also call me the Art or a Man. So today I'm going to be doing some kind of a different video. This video I'm going to be doing is mostly for people that are seeking to shoot their videos mostly on the Android device, budget Android device, new end Android device, modern Android device, big text. So what you just have to do is stay tuned. You might just want to stay tuned for that. First of all, what I'm going to be using the specs, the apps, and the other utensils I'm going to be using to take this footage and take this video is just my regular phone. I'm going to show you the phone I'll use. And I have two phones actually, so I'm going to be using one of them to do the photo shoot and also other devices and gadgets. What I'm going to say is that mostly if you want to become a better photographer or to spend more time having good quality images, subscribe to my channel and click bell icon. Wait to this video. Thanks. So we are here, guys. We're using this to take the photo shoot for today. It's not really a hard photo shoot. So I just want to make some use of some easy, quick equipment, cheap equipment, mid-range equipment to take good photos. It doesn't necessarily mean that you should have a big equipment so you can take your good photos as well. So this is what I'm going to be using. Stay tuned to the video. This is my earpiece I used to record my audio, and I'm streaming right now. AirPod as well. So it's going to be a quick video. So guys, it's my power bank. That's the other phone I have. My other phone, the red phone. It's a mid-range device, but it takes good photos if you use the correct app. So the application I'm going to use today is going to be in the description. So here is me making the arrangement process with the AirPod, the phone. This is the tripod I use to take these amazing shots. I made a video about this. The extends as well. So click the link in the description. The videos are there.
We are here, all set and all good to go. First of all, before taking your photo shoot and videos, you should have a good lighting at least. 1 or 2 brings of vibrant lights for you to use to display on your object. And also remember that a good lighting creates a good image, and as we are going to be using only a mid-range 12 megapixels Android device to take this footage, there might be some stress within the actual image processing and the footages taken afterwards. Now, let's go straight to the photo shoot as I seemingly hold onto my ISO and also make effective use of the camera angles. I will also be using macro focus mode for this shot for now. The first picture was taken, but there might be a slight bug happening that did made the picture to have a weird exposure. In situations like this, you will most likely have to make an adjustment to your ISO to reduce the exposure time on the screen before taking the image. Now I ramped the ISO up to 3200. Other professional cameras and DSLRs and mirrorless cameras have a more higher ISO number ranging from 100 to 6500. So if you might want to achieve a darker but cool photo, you will have to tweak the ISO button to the number that suits the kind of light you want to see before your pictures are taken. I have now changed to the autofocus mode because I have these 2 objects in focus, and also because you won't want your camera to make a close focus on objects that are not too close to the camera. I ramped the ISO down to 200 once again. This right here is the shutter speed preset that determines how fast you take your photos and in what exposure. Before the click of the shutter button, let's go ahead and take a picture to see how it turns out. It seems like this camera app takes some time in processing the images after a single press of the shutter button, which is somehow strange because it has been doing this since I began to make use of the app. Our next photography will be with the use of spotlights. The spotlights helps in identifying the object being taken. With the phone or the camera, macro focus mode will help in shooting situations like this. So what I am doing is that I'm going to be making use of the top-down mode, whereby I'm going to lift the torch up Then face it down to the object so that the light can shine as bright as it can on the object for the camera to focus and take the image as well. Image has been taken. Let's see the outcome. Oh, wow, I like the kind of galaxy feeling tone it gave to this photo. Now, let's just take it away from the AirPod and focus on the AirPod's case. The spotlight is now shining on the AirPod's case, top down so you can see it clearly in the back. Wow, that is a really sick photo. Just take a look at the details. So good that I think of that circle galaxy feelings it well made for the spotlights, also amazing. The next photography will be a little bit different. We are still going to be using the spotlight, but this time with different object. As a mobile device, I told you the second mobile device I had. So after doing the arrangement of the objects, I shined the spotlight not only on the objects individually, but in the middle of it, so that I can get that vibrant reddish colored look at the edges of the smartphone. I'm also going to take the same footage with the use of this camera, but reducing ISO and white balance. The camera focus mode is still left on auto. A few tweaks with the shutter speed button. As you can see, the image is getting too bright. This time I'm going to increase the ISO to make a dark image so you can have a good reflection of the spotlight on the edges of the phone. Now look closely. Did you see any difference in quality or in the darkness of the image? If you did or you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below, and you make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon. In this photo, I made use of the spotlight, but if you look closely in the background, the spotlight was only showing on the blue headsets this time.
So there you have it, guys. Know how you can use your mobile phone, mid-range mobile phone, to take good photos with accuracy, with the ISO, shutter button, shutter speed, and other photographic compositions. What do you think about this? With the use of those small phones and devices joined together to make good photos? Want more of this? Click the like button, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share this video to people who love it. I would love to see more. If you would love to see more of my videos like this, make sure to subscribe. Don't forget and don't miss out on